Hello students, 22EC601 Digital Signal Processing Lab Integrated for third year students, 6th semester, even semester. I am Jagan Babu, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, RMD Engineering College, Kavarapete. This is the prerequisite subject for all the communication, antenna and any communication subjects. For this subject, which subject will be the prerequisite? For this subject is signals and system is a prerequisite for DSP. Mathematics is the prerequisite for DSP. Circuit theory is the prerequisite for DSP. Why I am saying? If you take signals and system, you will be studying all basic signals, types of systems, all elementary signals, all the operation of the signals. If you take mathematics, you will be studying all the transformations, Laplace transformation, Fourier transformation, Fourier series, Z transformation. Based on the all transformation, you will be studying all the properties of the transformations, time shifting, time scaling, conjugation, convolution, perceivals, initial value theorem, final value theorem, correlation, multiplication, differentiation. Though you are studying linearity, periodicity, scalability, though you are studying the more properties. Why we need to study properties in the mathematics subject? That is an subject. We are learning the properties, an application for the DSP. All the properties will be applied for the any kind of the signals which will be supported to be OB. We will see today unit number 2, IIR filters. The topic we are going to see continuation of the previous video, unicity questions, repeated unicity 2 marks questions. Mention the significance of the Chebyshev's approximation. Error is minimized over a prescribed band of frequency. The most frequently asking question specifying what is the significance, especially Chebyshev approximation. Error is minimizing over a prescribed band of frequency. It may be a low pass, high pass, band stop, under the which cutoff frequency the error can be minimized, especially in the Chebyshev approximation technique. Impulse infinite response filters. Infinite impulse responses to IIR filters are consisting of one important analog filter called as a Chebyshev. There we have type 1, type 2 approximation. For any type 1, type 2 approximation of Chebyshev filter, error is minimized with a certain or desired cutoff frequencies. What is wrapping? Especially this wrapping effect is take place in a bilinear transformation. In bilinear transformation, the relation between analog and digital frequencies is non-linear. It should not be linear. What is linear? It supports a superposition principle. Why need to support superposition principle? There, both the inputs, weighted input and weighted output, have a BI/BO condition. Right? If it is not, it's a non-linear term. In bilinear, the relation between the analog and digital will be bilinear. Non-linear. When the S plane is mapped into Z plane using bilinear transformation, the non-linear relationship introduces a distortion in frequency axis. What they are trying to say? If you're going to map directly analog to digital, that means S plane to Z plane, what will happen? It will have some aliasing. That aliasing is nothing but error here. That error is called as a distortion. Where it occurs in the frequency distortion. In this is called as a wrapping, or this effect is called as wrapping effect in frequency. So it is called as a frequency wrapping, or it's called as a frequency wrapping effect. Is the frequency transfer function h of z 1 plus 0.8 z inverse divided by 1 minus 0.9 z inverse represents low pass filter or high pass filter. Therefore, the given question, instead of delayed one, z inverse change into z. Therefore, z plus 0.8 divided by z minus 0.9. What is my pole? Pole is nothing but 0.9. What is my 0? 0 is nothing but 0.8. The 0 is close to the point of 1, 0, and pole is close to the point of minus 1, 0. Therefore, the given transfer function is high pass filter. The value which is close, minus pi to pi, that's for the high pass filter. The values are very close to the origin. So this filter belongs to the high pass filter. Given low pass transfer function HA of S is equal to 1 by S plus 1. Find the high pass transfer function having a cutoff frequency of 10 volt, 10 radian per sample. Therefore, the given HA of S is equal to 1 by S plus 1. The cutoff frequency is given as 10 radian per sample. We know the formula for low pass, S tends to S by omega C. Omega C by S. HA of S is equal to whatever given, 1 divided by instead of S, you have to substitute by cutoff frequency by S, where the cutoff frequency is given directly 10. Therefore, 10 S, 10 by S. Therefore, 1 divided by instead of S, 10 by S plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 10 plus S by S. S will go top, therefore S by S plus 10. What is the importance of the poles in the filter design? This is also one of the most repeated question. The stability of the filter is related to the location of the poles. My poles is based on mainly causality and stability. Hope you are very clear with all the important University 2 marks. Study well and write well. More videos we'll see in the next class. Thank you.